Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hi, I'm Lexi. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below to join the family, and don't forget to tap the little bell so you get notified for every video I do post. But yes, like you read in the title, I'm gonna be showing you how to make these lip colorants for your business. You can also sell them as well. They're actually really easy to do, but yeah guys, stay tuned. Right, for this you're gonna need some spoons and bowls. I recommend like throwaway stuff so then it's easier to clean up. Some pigments. I hear like brown oxide is like the best to use for like brown. But you're gonna need some of these tubes right here. I got them off Amazon. I will have everything listed in the description box below. I believe I got these for like $8, all them tubes. Some coconut oil, some grapeseed oil. I do recommend castor oil because it does hold the pigments together better, I would say, so you don't have to shake it up as much when you do sell them or use them yourself. But these work just as fine. I'm just, if you're selling them, I do recommend doing castor oil. It's just a better go, I feel like. But yeah guys, you're gonna need this little shifter thing. I'm not for sure what it's called, but yeah, pretty much you use that to put the pigments in, so then you can get every clump out, so it's not like all the clumps are going in with the oil. You want it shifted or sifted, whatever it's said. I'm sorry guys, but yeah, pretty much you use that so then you don't have any clumps in there and it's easier to stir up. So yeah, pretty much you're just gonna put it in there and shake it up, and you see all them little them little beads in there, little hard parts. You can smash them down and use them. It's easier to stir in when it is grated like that. So what I'm saying, you don't have to mix it up super long when you do mix it in with the oil. Right, you're just gonna start squirting in all of your oil. I do recommend just pouring it in there because the squirting, you'll notice it takes a long time. But you're gonna want a good amount of oil because you don't want it really thick, but you don't want it really thin as well, so it thins out your lip gloss. But you gotta think, when you're adding this in with your lip gloss, you're gonna use oil to help your base of your lip gloss get a little thinner because you don't want really thick lip gloss base. So it does help it in the long run. But yeah, so pretty much you're just gonna stir it up and just keep stirring it. I do recommend like a hand blender if you're wanting, if you're going to be doing this and selling them quite often. But if you're just doing it for yourself, just stir it up really well. It took me, I think, about 5 to 8 minutes off camera. But yeah, you're just going to keep stirring it, and yeah, and you should want it at this consistency. You can add in grapeseed oil if you would like, and you got to think this goes a long way because it's liquid. And I don't know, I just like coloring my lip gloss with this a lot better, guys. It just, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but you'll notice it once you do it yourself. It's it really pigments your lip gloss a lot better than just using the powder. You're gonna want a little funnel of some sort, so then when you do pour it into the little squeeze tube, and don't mind Journey guys, she's in the background. But yeah, pretty much I just kind of push my bowl together so it kind of comes out evenly. And yeah, pretty much I'm just filling up the tube right now. It's super easy, and I think once you guys do this, you'll do your lip gloss pigments like this from now on, because I'm telling you, when you see this in the end, it pigments the lip gloss amazingly. If you want the darkest nude or a really pigmented nude, girl, this is for you, because I'm telling you, I'm going to show you at the end what it looks like when it's pigmented. But yeah, that's what it looks like once it's in there. And yeah, you're going to have to wipe it off. I recommend rubbing alcohol. It's the easiest way to get pigment off stuff. But yeah, so I think we're gonna do another color. I think I'm gonna do well, after this can make quite a few, that much pigment can make quite a few little bottles. I made 2 out of this. There's no really exact measurements, it's kind of just do your own thing. You'll know when it's right. It's just pretty much putting your pigment with your oil. You just don't want it so oily that you know, it's more oil than pigment. So when you pour it in, you're not really getting the pigment, if you know what I'm saying. It's not hard, but yeah, I think you guys will definitely like this for your business, especially if you do lip gloss or you want to sell these for profit. These are great to sell for profit, and yeah. So the dark browns turned out. I love them. They are super cute, and you will see the pigment. It is like I'm just saying, like, this is like the best pigment I've ever used to make a nude, and it's so dark and it shows up on the lips so nice. But yeah, guys, I'm just getting my gloves back on because I had to go wash my my little shaker thing, and now I'm doing like a little lighter of a brown. I am gonna add a little white in with this, I believe. You'll see. But yeah, this is brown oxide. I will put all the pigments I use in the description box below. But yeah, so pretty much I'm just adding in my oil right now. And also, if you don't like stirring the pigments in with the oil, and it seems a little difficult to you, you can always warm up the oil as well. It'll break it down a lot better. So I am adding in zinc oxide. It's pretty much a white oxide. I pretty much added this just to make it a little bit lighter than the dark brown pigment I already made. So yeah, I just kind of add this in to lighten it up a little bit. So yes, I'm just mixing it up now. As you can tell, it is a little bit lighter than the other brown. It don't look like it, but when you put them side by side, it actually is a lot lighter than that dark brown, and it's very noticeable when you do make the lip gloss as well. But yes, I just keep adding white in to make it a little bit lighter. It kind of worked, kind of didn't. I don't know. I was okay with the color though, so. In the process, I'm putting in the coconut oil, the grapeseed oil, and then I'm going to put the pigment into the little grater thing, and I'm going to shake it into the oil, and then I'm going to stir it up so all the clumps are out, which usually there's barely any clumps because you already use that little thing, which helps, get all them clumps out. But yeah, so pretty much I'm just repeating this process all over again. I'm going to fill up the little bottle up. I'm going to use a funnel so it don't get all over. And yeah, pretty much that's all I'm doing for the pink one. Guys, those are all my colors I did. I didn't really show yeah, there it is. I couldn't get into the frame, but yeah, those are all the colors I did. And right now, I'm just going to show you what it looks like when I add it in with some lip gloss. So yeah, pretty much I'm just going to show you the pigmentation and everything. I think you guys are going to love this. So this is what the gloss looks like after I add in all of my other stuff, like my oils and my scents and all that. But yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. And like, girl, pigment. Talk about pigment. Look at this. Like, I'm gonna show you a swatch right here, like on my arm. And look at that. Like, if you are looking for the perfect pigment or like even nudes, girl, make your own. I'm telling you, this is the way to go. And if you're gonna sell it, these are gonna sell. Like, they pigment so well. Like, liquid is way better pigmenting. But yeah, I'm gonna show you. This is a part of another video, but I'm gonna show you what the pink turned out like in a lip gloss. I just want to show you what it looked like after I got done mixing it and everything. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And like, look at that pigment, guys. Like, that is like beautiful. I don't know. I am so happy with this. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a fat thumbs up. And don't forget to comment some video ideas below. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.